In this video, I'll show you how to send a file on Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, let's say for any reasons you want to send your friend, your family, a file on Telegram. A file can be a photo, a video, or an image, right? So I'm going to use this as an example. I want to send to this my friend the file here, and my file I'm going to send him is going to be, it can be a photo, a video, it can be, let's say, a document, a PDF, or anything, right? So I want to use the photo, right? I'm going to head over to my library. I'm going to send him, I think this photo is cool. Click on open. I'm going to click on the send, right? So I'll give it very few minutes. Once it has loaded up, it's going to send to him, right? So right now you can see I just sent this my friend a file right here, and I guess he's typing, right? You can see he's typing. So please, who is this? Okay, you can just come on here and type a friend. So this is basically how you can send someone a file here on Telegram, right? So yeah, so you can see. So if you found this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through the video. I'm gonna see you all in the next one.